Now that we have discussed deadlocks, let's look at a classic problem that, if not properly handled, can lead to deadlocks. I'm calling this the chopstick variation of the dining philosopher's problem. The original problem has been introduced by Dijkstra. Suppose we have n philosophers, they represent our threads, and n chopsticks. Each philosopher would like to eat, but to do so, he or she needs two chopsticks, the one on the left side and the one on the right side. Once a philosopher gets both chopsticks, others, of course, cannot use the same chopsticks used by the philosopher. If you reflect about it, you will see that if we have two philosophers, only one can eat at a time. If we have three philosophers, only one can eat at a time. If we have four philosophers, then two can eat in parallel, but they cannot be adjacent ones, and so on. So can this setup lead to deadlock if our algorithm is poorly designed? Let's have a look and let us consider the following solution, which we call pick left and then pick right. The first thing we have to do is to check if the mutual exclusion property is satisfied or not. I leave this to you as homework. Again, reason formally about whether the property is satisfied or not. The second thing we want to check is whether deadlocks can occur. From our previous discussion, if mutual exclusion, Olden weight, no preemption, and circular weight can happen simultaneously, then deadlocks can occur. Hopefully, you have found out that mutual exclusion is satisfied. Do we have Olden weight? Yes. If a philosopher manages to get the left chopstick, then the philosopher will not release it until he or she manages to get the right chopstick too. Do we have no preemption? Yes, two chopsticks are released by the same philosopher that manages to get them once the philosopher completes its critical section. Do we have circular weights? Indeed, as shown in this slide. Hence, this solution is not valid. It can lead to a deadlock. In this slide, the arrow from the philosopher to the chopstick means the philosopher is waiting for the chopstick. The arrow from the chopstick to the philosopher means the philosopher got the chopstick.